Hello, my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Director of Market Analysis. The first 2 months of 2016 have represented a strong start to the year, insofar as home sales reported through TREB's MLS system are concerned. Greater Toronto Area Realtors entered a record number of home sales through TREB's MLS system in February. There were 7,621 transactions reported, up 21.1% compared to February 2015. Across TREB's market area, which includes the GTA plus South Simcoe and Orangeville, double-digit sales increases were experienced for all major home types compared to the same month last year. Even after accounting for the leap year day, sales were above the previous record for February set back in 2010. Sales were up strongly from the 15th day of the month onward as well, despite the new federal mortgage lending guidelines coming into effect that require at least a 10% down payment on the portion of purchase prices between $500,000 and $1 million. This supports results from an Ipsos poll conducted on behalf of TREB at the end of 2015, but before the announcement of the new mortgage lending guidelines, that suggested only a small percentage of intending buyers would be putting down less than 10% of the purchase price in 2016. Results on the demand side of the ledger were certainly strong in February, but what about supply? On a year-over-year basis, the number of new listings entered into TREB's MLS system was also up, but by a lesser 8.2% on an annual basis. The fact that the annual rate of sales growth outstripped the annual rate of new listings growth shows a tightening of market conditions compared to last year. It would seem that not a lot has changed as we move through the first quarter. Strong demand up against a constrained supply of listings. The bottom line is that sellers' market conditions continued throughout the GTA in February. Strong competition between buyers resulted in a healthy growth in selling prices. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark was up by 11.3% year over year. The average selling price was up by 14.9% annually to $685,278. Looking at the MLS HPI in particular, we continue to see a similar trend whereby low-rise home types like singles, semis, and townhomes experience low double-digit or high single-digit annual rates of price growth. The condominium apartment segments also saw strong price growth, but by a lesser annual rate of approximately 6%. Thinking about home prices moving forward, recent polling conducted for TREB by Ipsos suggested that GTA households will remain upbeat about purchasing a home in 2016. Early sales results for January and February certainly support this view. With strong sales up against a constrained supply of listings, home prices will continue to trend strongly upward. That completes the market summary for February. I look forward to speaking with you again at the beginning of April, when we will be on the cusp of the 2016 spring market. Until then, thanks very much.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.